Understanding, don't look back, a phrase guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, don't look back. This expression is rich in meaning and usage in the English language, and understanding it can add a new layer to your communication skills. So, let's explore together what it means and how to use it effectively. Don't look back. At first glance, this phrase seems straightforward. Literally, it means not to turn your head backward to look at something. But in English, like in many languages, phrases often carry meanings beyond the literal. It's these non-literal, or figurative, meanings that give the language its color and expressiveness. In a figurative sense, don't look back is a metaphor. It's used to advise someone not to dwell on the past. It means moving forward without holding on to previous experiences or events, especially those that are negative or painful. This phrase encourages focusing on the present and future rather than being stuck in what has already happened. You'll often hear, "Don't look back," in casual conversations, pep talks, or motivational speeches. For example, a friend might say, "You've made a big decision to change your career. Don't look back now," encouraging you to stay committed to your choice without regret or second thoughts. The phrase also appears in various cultural contexts, like music, literature, and movies, often symbolizing a strong, forward-moving attitude. Recognizing this phrase in different contexts can deepen your understanding of English language culture and idiomatic expressions. So, don't look back is more than just a set of words. It's a powerful expression that encapsulates a forward-thinking mindset. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep learning and, most importantly, don't look back on your language learning journey.